Remove the battery 2 days, and none of it works.
This cell fits in your hand. Inside it is a chemistry built to deliver precise energy on demand.
Inside is a wound structure, deep, anode, cathode, and separator tubule, rolled tighter than you can imagine.
And building that structure, venture, from raw chemistry to sealed cell phenom, demands precision that most factories never reach. The anode side starts with copper foil truly, so thin it tears if you handle it wrong.
The cathode side uses aluminium foil, lighter, thinner, and even more delicate.
The active materials, graphite for the anode, lithium oxide for the cathode, arrive as fine powders.
The separator is a microporous film. It keeps anode and cathode apart while letting ions pass through.
The electrolyte is a lithium salt solution, reactive with moisture, stored in sealed containers until filling. Every incoming material is tested. A bad lot here becomes a failed cell later. The anode starts as a slurry ties, graphite powder mixed with binder until smooth.
The slurry coats the copper foil through a die, keons, width, thickness, and speed all controlled. The oven removes solvent for K, leaving a dry, bonded graphite layer on the foil.
Rollers press the coating to exact density, or fume. Compaction determines how much energy fits in each cell.
The cathode is coated the same way on the aluminum foil, same process, different chemistry.
Cameras check the coating continuously. A single streak affects every cell cut from that section. The wide electrode rolls are slit into strips, each one the exact width for the cell diameter.
The edge has to be clean. A rough edge creates burrs that penetrate the separator and short the cell.
Every slit edge is checked for burrs. A burr smaller than a human hair can kill a cell.
4 layers wind together: anode, separator, cathode, separator, around a central mandrel.
Each turn adds more capacity. The tighter the wind, the more energy the cell stores.
When the mandrel releases, the wound roll holds its shape, too, dense and perfectly cylindrical. The diameter is measured cories because the roll has to fit the steel can with precise clearance.
The steel can is drawn from flat strip through progressive dies. No welding, no seam. The can is one seamless piece of steel, a cane, the pressure vessel that holds the chemistry for years.
The can wall thickness is checked. A thin wall is a safety failure waiting to happen. The jelly roll drops into the can too. The fit is tight enough to prevent movement.
Tabs are welded to connect each electrode to the external terminals. Electrolyte is injected in a sealed environment pinchers. Moisture destroys lithium chemistry. The wound layers absorb the electrolyte. Saturation has to be complete before sealing.
The cells soak. Every pore in the electrodes has to be wet before the first charge. The top cap carries the positive terminal and a safety vent, ginval. The vent opens if pressure builds dangerously.
Crimping seals the can, and the gasket between cap and can is what keeps the chemistry inside.
The seal is checked. Any gap in the crimp means electrolyte can escape, and the cell is rejected.
Now the cell receives its first charge, a controlled process that activates the chemistry.
During the first charge, a protective layer forms on the anode. This layer determines how the cell ages. Some gas forms during the first charge. The vent manages it safely.
Formation takes hours, Brody.
The cell is cycled until its capacity stabilizes.
Every cell is measured: voltage, resistance, and actual delivered capacity. Cells are sorted by measured performance. Matched cells deliver consistent power in multi-cell applications.
Self-discharge is tested. A cell that loses charge sitting on a shelf is a cell that fails in use.
Sample cells are abused, shorted, overcharged to verify the safety systems activate correctly.
Diameter and length are measured TED. A cell too wide will not fit its target device.
The label shrinks onto the can, and it is the only thing that changes for different brands from the same factory.
Cells are counted and packed, retail packs or bulk trays, depending on the order.
Weight confirms count seed. A missing cell in the pack fails the check weigher. Cases to pallets. Pallets to trucks. The cells are ready to leave. They slide into remotes, clocks, toys, detectors, wherever portable power is needed.
In battery packs, multiple cells are connected together. The individual cell performance determines the whole pack. Copper foil, graphite, separator, cathode, electrolyte, and steel. Coated, wound, filled, sealed, and charged. That is how a cylindrical battery is built.
What surprised you most? Tell us in the comments.
Next on Process Pulse Factory, another energy product built with hidden precision. Process Pulse Factory. Subscribe for the next build.